Welcome to the Excel tutorial series on the Radiowave Technology Channel. Pivot tables are a powerful tool to summarize and analyze large datasets quickly. In this tutorial, we'll create a pivot table to analyze a sales report. To create the pivot table, start by selecting your data by highlighting the entire dataset from A1 to E5. Next, insert the pivot table by going to the Insert tab in the ribbon, clicking Pivot Table, and selecting from Table/Range. In the dialog box, choose where you want to place the pivot table, such as a new worksheet, then click OK to insert it. To set up the pivot table and analyze sales by region, drag region to the rows area and sales, dollar, to the values area. Excel will calculate the total sales for each region. To analyze sales by employee, drag employee below region in the rows area to break down sales by employee within each region. To calculate the average performance by region, drag performance, % to the values area. Right-click the column, choose Value Field Settings, and select Average to display the average performance. And that's it. You've now created and customized a pivot table to analyze sales data. In the next tutorial, we'll explore VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP for advanced data lookups. See you there.